Pick it up. Oi. I can't get them.
Oh, Dylan, do you have a net?
I've got scales.
Landing net.
It's
running.
Get the landing net.
I've got the net. Get my net. Because they can have
Get
it.
Dylan's net.
Where is it?
You need to get it out.
Get my big net. Get my big net.
What, this thing?
Yes.
I move.
Wait,
Where is it? Where is it?
That's my massive. The other one, the big, it's in the bag. Come on.
Oh, we got away with Dayton's net. It's not going to fit in that net.
It's not going to fit. Get my net.
Try lift to.
It's in there, Ollie. Oh, Dayton.
It's not in there, Dayton. It's not in there.
Dayton, go get it.
Where is it?
Oh,
It's just the net, though. It's just the net.
oh, for fuck's sake, Dayton. Go get the pole. Go get the pole.
Quick.
Take it.
Oi,
It's
Dayton.
not going to hold. No,
Mate, it might be 20 pounds.
it actually might be 20 pounds.
Where's the pole, Dayton?
It's in there.
You can't just say it's in there. You don't need to know where it is.
I don't even think that net will be big enough.
I don't think it is.
I'm not going to rush.
I need to get a picture.
Come on, lad.
Mate, we need to weigh this.
This is going to be massive. Do you guys have a spare big net?
No, we don't have a net.
Does your dad? It's 20 pounds.
Nah, I'll get it for 20 pounds. It might be 12.
Oh,
That's-
massive. Come on, Alfie. Have it.
Alright, just get it. No, I want to take my time with it because I don't want it to fall off.
Yeah, I know, but I've got it ready.
I don't want it to do what happened with Alfie's.
Let me have it.
Oh.
I'm going to...
Oh, it's still angry. Oh, it keeps running.
You can't
I'm only on, mate, I'm
Tire
only
it out. Tire it out.
Stop, I'm only on £6 line. I don't want to.
Fuck.
Alright, get it here. Get it here. Get it here.
It looks like a flipping crocodile. Move. Nathan, I am.
Move!
It's like a hammer down.
Too small. Alfie, stop trying to net it. It's too small.
Yeah, that net's too small. Stop with that one. Put that one back, Alfie. Put that one back.
I'm jumping.
Or should we use an umbrella? Should we use an umbrella?
Oh, get it there. Ollie, no, Alfie, stop
I get it
trying
with
to
my
net.
hands.
I can't
Go
get
on,
it.
Ollie.
Go on, Ollie. You got.
Shall I jump in?
Oh, slip in.
Stop, switch the poles around.
Alfie, walk backwards. Alfie, walk backwards.
How are we going to put the net on that one?
Unscrew it.
There's not a screw. There's not
You
a screw.
can't.
I was just
Oh,
gonna...
Alfie, walk backwards so it's
I was
closer.
gonna try get... They said use the umbrella. No, don't!
Don't. Oh, yeah.
Wait, Ollie, should we both go from the...
No,
like,
no,
back?
don't. You
Guys,
try
should I
net.
just-
Just
guys,
try
should
get
I
on.
just jump in?
No.
Yeah,
No.
go on, it's done.
No.
No.
I will. I actually will.
You fucking won't.
I will.
He would.
I actually will jump in my boxes.
Do it. Should we do it? Should we let him do it then?
You can still bite him.
Yeah, Dayton, they probably will.
Should I jump in?
Go!
Bring it closer.
Go on, Ollie. Yes!
Oh.
It's too big.
I got it. It's somehow.
Is it in or out?
It's in right now. No. Oh my god.
Is it in or what?
It's half in. It's half in.
Pick it.
Take it out. Yes.
Oh, this is massive.
Ollie, move it.
Move it.
Come on, lad.
Wait, bring it on the mat. Bring it to the mat.
Oh my god. That is a nice pike.
Oh, I need to take a picture.
I've got to wait.
Boys, no, stop. I need to take a picture.
That's massive. That is a big old pike.
Okay, move that bit. That is the biggest thing. That's the biggest pike I've ever seen.
He swallowed it as well, I think.
Get it, move your finger.
Look how massive it is.
It's massive.
Yes.
Get my waist.
That's huge.
Oh, Dylan, can you get the hook out?
No, step on my rope. Step on my rope. What are you doing, Dayton?
Oh, Alfie, move.
Oh, I was going to bite him.
If that bites you on that, it's
Push it on.
Push it on.
Flip it on, right.
It's going to
Funny thing ever.
push it on. Push it
Dylan, I'm
on.
betting you.
You were. That's
Lift it on.
You gotta push it on.
Push it in. Just grab it through the gills.
You get it then.
Oh my
I'm scared to touch a pike.
Oh, yeah, I'm not.
Polish.
Polish, I think.
Get on.
And then pour some more water. I move, I'm pouring water on it.
This is actually.
There's no battery. Dayton, you've not got batteries. You're an idiot. Oh, take that one off. Take that one off.
Let me lift it.
You lost it. This is shambles.
Are you ready?
Right.
Three. Take a picture of the lift. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Dayton,
get off.
No, it's 11.
£11, £20.
£20.
Shut up.
That was Alfie shouting that.
No, it wasn't.
11.
No, other Alfie.
11 and a half.
Shut up, Dylan.
No, I say,
Go back to catch and brooch, buddy.
I will.
I say we keep it.
Put it in a fish tank.
Yeah, let's put it in the
let's
fish
put it-
tank.
let's
Put it in my fish tank.
Put it in my bag.
Good release.
Are we releasing?
Are we all gonna take a picture of it?
Yeah, go on
take a
then.
video
Go on
of
then.
the
We'll take a
release.
picture. We'll all take a picture of
Should
it.
we all take a picture with it?
Yeah, yeah. Put it in so it doesn't die. So it can breathe.